Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Clash of Clans and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.